Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amber Cherries, and today we're doing this simple blue look. It's very simple. It's almost one color. I say almost because there is some white, and it's just really simple. Like, I don't expect this video to be longer than 5 minutes, like, at all. So it's only using the Butter London Natural Goddess kit, like this, which I got from BoxyCharm. I figured I'll do a makeup look with it. And a lot of the colors just don't match each other, so I figured let's do a single color look. And I normally don't do blues. Like, blues are hard for me to work with. So I decided to do a blue look and just go a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's easy to follow. I'm going to prime my eyes using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer, covering the entire lid and even bringing it up to the brow bone. This will help keep the colors still and brighten them as well. The first palette I'm using is Peak Cosmetics in Neutrals. I'm just taking one shade from this palette to set the concealer on my lid and allow myself a blank canvas to work on. This color can be any shade of your skin or a white color. I'm using a yellowish tone since it is the undertone of my skin shade. I'm going to brush this all over my lid with a fluffy brush. For the main palette of this look, I'm using Butter London's Natural Goddess palette in the shade Femme Fatale. With a precision brush, I'm going to start off by blending this color into the crease, blending it until the edges are nice and smooth and almost faded looking. This may take some time, so don't rush. You may also need to reapply more color, as for blending will take some of the shade away. Taking a packing brush, I am taking Femme Fatale and packing it onto my lid, adding more of the shade to deepen and darken the color where it has lightened. Taking the same shade and using the very end of the packing brush, I'm going to blend this color onto my lower lid, coming to about the halfway mark. Taking my Wet n Wild Don't Steal My Thunder trail, I'm using the white to blend into the inner corner of my lid. You can use any eyeliner or black eyeshadow to line your upper lid. I'm using the black from my Peak Cosmetics Modern Neutral palette and a thin angled brush to line my upper lid, giving a tiny tail at the end. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes in the lash style of Shy. For lipstick, I'm using Rimmel London's Lasting Finish lipstick in the color Paradise. On the center of my lips, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. And that's it. I told you it's simple. Only two colors out of this entire thing, and it's simple to do. So if you don't have that kit, just look for a blue that you like and just follow the steps like that. And if you want to add the white, go on ahead. If you want to go all blue, girl, you do that. You can do your own. I'm not gonna go all blue. Blue is not exactly my favorite color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this tutorial, and I hope you guys continue watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.